Hey everybody, welcome to part 2 of the out-of-the-box picks of user spetnz challenge locks that he sent me. If you haven't seen part 1, I'll put a link to it in the description. It's the key for it. I went ahead and put the Ready, Set, Go back together also, so I didn't get all the pieces confused. Also, I never mentioned it in the last video, but that lock had no threading or anything in the core as well. I forgot to mention that when I was doing the gutting. Okay, so we got the American 5200 from spetnz, MLP. Not sure what that means. I probably should, but maybe not. He named it the Riddler. Excellent engraving again. And a cool little key thing with MLP is the bidding, it looks like. Alrighty. Pop that guy up into the vise. Alright, we'll raise this up some. Closer. There we go, that's better. Forgot I moved that mat in the last video. So I do apologize if I talk a little bit low sometimes. I'm trying to get better at avoiding that. So also I'm just going to use the monkey paw as well for this lock. Yeah, it fits fine. And I'm going to use this tension here. I'm just going to bring my chair over. Oh, frick. It's cold down here in this basement. Jeez. Trying not to be down here any longer than I have to. Click right away on 1. Little on 2. 4. Not sure about 5. Go back to 1. Nothing. 2. Nothing. 3. Feels good. 4. Oh. That was a pretty good full set there. That was hard for me to feel whether or not that was pin 5 or pin 4 because it kind of popped right away as I took some tension off my finger. But I think it was 5. 4 I might need to go right now. It might have been too much. Maybe not. Alright, so start at the front again. Pin 1, good. Pin 2 feels good. Pin 3 feels like it's almost ready to go. So something else is holding it up. Okay, pin 3 was really high set. That was what I think was holding it. Couple clicks out of 5. I don't know, I'm getting the feeling I might have overset something here, but I don't know. Do that little wiggle on the core there just in case I overset something barely. It'll hopefully drop back down. Sure, that's wishful thinking, but sure, sometimes it'll work. Okay, I got more clicks out of 5 there. 4. Frig. Wow. Okay. Getting lots of clicks out of 4 and 3 right now, just going from one to the other. They must be a lot of serrations in those. Watch me open it up and there'll be none, but that's the way it feels anyways when I'm picking it, so that's what I'll go by. Don't want to lose that. Do you guys ever watch those videos where you're watching the guy pick it and you can see the tension wrench just about to go flying and you're like, oh, come on, man. 4 is just... Maybe I need something with a little higher reach here. Pull one of my multi-pick. That was the chair, by the way. Here we go. A click out of 5 and then a click out of 4. Another click out of 5. Decided to drop a couple pins there. I think in the back I might overset something. See if I can get them moving a little bit better. That felt good. Okay. I seem to be making a little more progress now, but I still think something weird's going on back there, but I can't figure out what. Okay. Fall set on 1. There we go. Whew, that was a tricky one. That was a lot more difficult for me to get than Ready, Set, Go. It's a pretty fitting name for it too, the Riddler, because it had me confused for sure with what was going on in the back. Drop it like that. Another great pick though, man. Both 2 fantastic locks. I'm gonna, as soon as I'm done before I even upload the videos, I'm going to go to that challenge lock site and see what kind of info I got to fill in for them. But I'll make sure I do that for you, and I'll send them off to the Reddit user we talked about me sending them to. Not going to bother taking that out of the duct tape or electrical tape. Going to use a shim on this guy though, because he's just a little fella. Where's my gut wrench? Should have looked for my good screwdriver I usually use to do this with. I hate using this thing. But it does work. I'll give it that. Okay, I'll keep the front over here. Some nasty serrations on these key pins, that's for sure. Yeah, very nice serrations on those. We'll take a close-up of those here in a second. Nothing, no serrations or threading in the core. Would have been just for how many serrations there are on these pins. It would have been nice to put some threading in, maybe at least a couple of them, maybe one at the back or something like that. But who knows? That was a really good lock, and mine don't necessarily look that good. So well done. And this is the that's the back. More serrations like crazy. Holy smokes. Serrated spool. Looks like a cool little custom serrated spool. Another serrated spool. Not going to take oh wait, there's one more. There we go. All right, let me check. Yeah, there's no threading in the Bible either. So, all right, let's take a look at these. Just look at the serrations. Very nice, man. Very nice. Go that way. They're too tiny to mess with right now, but I'll make sure I flip them around the right directions before they go back in. All right, well, those were two awesome locks. Thank you very much to user spetnz for sending them to me. Sorry, buddy, it took so long to get these videos up. I know that's probably a little bit annoying. It wasn't my intention. I definitely will get the comments uploaded today on challengelock.com, and if I have time before supper, I'll get to the post office and have them sent out. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a good one.